Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we are making an infinity candle holder. Now you're going to say, oh, I thought you made one of these recently. Well, yes, I made one with wooden corners and a wooden top, and it made look at more like an artifact or something like that, some magical item. This one I wanted to do a little bit simpler, and you can actually see more candles inside, and you can see it from more angles because there's nothing obstructing the corners. So this is a fun, fairly quick project that most people can make in an afternoon. So let's dive in and take a look at it. Let's start with cutting some one-way plexiglass. This isn't something you can find at your average store, but some of the glass suppliers around will have it. And in this case, it needs to be plexiglass so we can glue the corners together well. And I have a link to it down below if you want to order it online. So let's dive into this. Ready? For this one, I need to make a base. Walnut. Ooh, yeah. Walnut. And we're going to do this out of walnut, because if you're going to do something nice, you got to do it out of walnut. Or white oak, but in this case, walnut. We're going to make a little square here, do a little bit of detail on the edge, and then inset the glass into that. So, let's make a base.
I'm going against the grain, too.
Because you know it's really all about the base. Man, I love that part. Okay, now that we've finished with the fun, let's go back to the plexiglass. I'm going to finish gluing up all four corners of this, making a box, and then we want to attach this to the base. And to do that, I'm going to cut a groove that the box actually fits down into. And so we need to trace out exactly where the box is on the base and cut it out. Sounds difficult, but let's take it step by step and see what happens. We'll find out. Now that the groove is all cut out, we can do the final finishing needed to fit this down into the groove. Planing it off, making it nice and smooth, peeling the surface off, and then we can mix up some epoxy to hold it down in. I'm just going to use some 5-minute epoxy, whip it up fairly quickly on a piece of tape on the bench, and then apply it down into the hole. Now, it was somewhere around this point I realized, maybe I should have applied the finish before gluing the box in, but oh well. You live and you learn, and next time you do it better. But we're just going to glue it down in first and then put the finish on this time and see how it comes out. So squeeze it down, clamp it in place, add some finish, and we can sit back and take a look at this thing.
So there you have it, an infinity candle holder, and you would not believe how long it took me to light all those candles. It was all day. This is a really fun project. If you'd like to see more of the how-tos, and I actually talk through what this is made of, how it was made, and some of my thoughts behind it, I'll leave a link to that in the description and up in the cards. That's in Wood by Wright 2, the second channel to this channel. So yeah, I hope you like this. If you did, please let me know down below. Hit like, comment, subscribe, share, ring the bell, all those fun things. I think that'll about do it today. Until next time, have a wonderful day. So if there was a war inside of this box, would it be an infinity war?
I can go.